Hey guys, this is General Mechanic. Another small video right here, and I just hope that everybody's having a great day today. And today, I'm gonna share this video on 2006 Toyota Tacoma 4.0, and I'm gonna show you how to set the timing on this thing. This is our engine swap we're doing, but the engine that we got, it required to replace or swap the cam gears, so that's why we had to open the engine to do the timing on it. And so today I'm gonna show you how to set it. First of all, I'm gonna come down here to the engine, and I'm gonna show you a few little things right here that we gotta be looking for. I'm gonna loosen the chain so you can actually see what I'm gonna be doing in a second. And so you see this 4.0 has the left, looking at the engine left side, but this is the right bank, this is the left bank. On the right bank, you're gonna find the one single line timing mark on them. You know, this is the how you call this thing, the phaser. The cam phaser can go on either side and it will work on either side, but the thing is, you see you got two lines right here and you got one line right here. So the right bank takes that one line, that's the timing mark for the right bank. On the left side, you see we got two lines, that's the timing mark. Now another option you got to line up the timing on this thing is, if you pay close attention right here, look at these two lines, you see this little tip right here, you can match this thing right here. This gotta be right in center. If you pay attention to this tooth on the gear, you can actually see I'm right on center right there. So now this one right here, you gotta match the single one right here, and as you can see I'm a little forward, but because the chain is not on it, but that's just to preset the timing on it. Now you know, now you got the chain that comes with three color code links, that you got a yellow and two orange. The two orange ones, they go on the cam gears, the yellow one goes on the crank gear. So to preset the timing on the crankshaft, you're gonna come and put it around 7:30 on the clock. Looking at the engine, probably about, yeah, probably 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock, something like that, just to be close enough to do the timing. So what I'm gonna do right now is we're gonna set the timing on it. I'm using same things, like, you know, the chain, the guides, everything. Why? Because this engine only has 71,000 miles. It came with a 13-month warranty. So, you know, I asked them if I was required to replace any guides or anything like that. They say no, that wouldn't void the warranty, because it was their problem that they didn't have the right gear on this engine. So like I said again, this is a 2006. This is the Tacoma X Runner. So there's gotta be something to do with that thing right there on the cam gears. So I'm about to set the camera real quick, and I'm gonna start putting trying to set the timing chain on it, and we'll go from there. Hopefully, you know, everything comes out okay. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do right here is gonna set the timing chain on it. Remember, like I said in the other videos, this thing, when you're setting the timing chain on these things, on any engine, you gotta start from the side where the tensioner is not. So the opposite side of the tension side, like this side is the tensioner side. We're gonna leave this one alone, and we're gonna start from here, go up, down, to the other gear, come down, and then we can put tension on it. So what we're gonna do right here, I said yellow mark is the one for the crank. That's the starting point. What we're gonna do is we're gonna match the link, the yellow link, with the mark. So you make sure you set the yellow link on the mark. Now we're gonna start from there up, and as you see, I already had this one preset, but I mean, you know, and it's nothing like the chain is loose, you know, we can, we can do it again. You can just set it right there and count down from there, whatever, however you want to do it. But the main thing is that you gotta start from the bottom. And if we were off just a little bit right here, we could slip the chain and make it come down just a little bit. So we got that right there, got that on point. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go up from the idle gear right here, come up here, and we're gonna do, make sure you can, this is what I like to do, guys. I like to set the timing chain on the outside of the gear and kind of match it up and make sure that I'm close enough before I start putting the links on the gear. Because if you don't know if you're short or long, or short or long, then you're gonna be going back and forth, taking it off and on. So I'm pretty much close right there. You can see right here I got a adjustable wrench just in case I need to go back and forth with it. So in that way I don't have to be using a wrench from the front, So make sure you got tension. If you got loose, if the chain is loose on this side, you're not gonna have enough length to put it on the other cam gear. So make sure this is tight, just by pulling it, and then we can start back on this side right here. All right, you see it's a little loose, but we can pull it. This side, the tension is gonna be stretching it. So yellow mark, go up, orange, come on this side, orange. Now what we can do is hold the chain right here so it won't fall once we're trying to put the tensioner on. I'm gonna bring it right over here in a second, but you can look, I got it on time. So what I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna hold it with one hand, and I'm gonna try to set the tensioner really quick. And I knew that was gonna happen. The little lock pin came off, and that wasn't a good idea. The lock pin I had came off. That was a little smart. So we're gonna do this like this. I'm gonna try to do it real quick before thing pops out again. And like I said, I'm not using new stuff because it's a really low mileage engine, so I don't think we're gonna have a problem there. All right. All right, we got tension right there. Gonna get me a 10mm socket. We're gonna give it a little touch right there, and just to make sure the tension is right on place before we can stretch the chain. And I haven't torqued the gears yet because I wanted to be sure that I had the chain on just in case you want to move off from the preset time that I had on. You start moving the whole engine. So this is what I want to do right here. I'm gonna tighten this down, and now when you get that thing tightened out, what you want to do is make sure you do this. You press on the tensioner arm and make sure that you pull it all the way out as far as it can go, so that thing, this little lock pin, comes as far as it needs to be. And that way when you turn the engine, it's not so far back that the timing can slip. So if you pull the chain down like that, this thing's gonna come out as far as it can go. And then you see, when the engine turns, when you first crank it, it won't move from there. So that's a good idea to do. And as you see, this is how to set the time on this engine. And so I'm gonna bring you real quick to the timing marks, so you can see right on point. Come to the other one, right on point. If we come down to the gear, there's a little dot right here, you can see it, and it's right on this edge, on this yeah, like a little edge right here. You see right in the center of that thing. So This video was how to set the timing on a 2006 Toyota Tacoma 4.0 engine. And thank you for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget leave thumbs up. Main thing is subscribe, as I got more videos coming. And as always, have a blessed day and stay tuned for more to come. All right.